Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on Google Play Store in Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here, if we try to find games like Call of Duty and many others, we'll not be able to even download them. So here it is, Call of Duty. And there's icon, and if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, open a settings, enter family, select parental controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely with a switch or go for apps and games, insert the PIN code, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards, and if we go back to the search, Call of Duty is available right here, and we can either play or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.